Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can insert the plus sign before any number. If I put a plus sign and after that if I give any number, and if I try to press enter, then you will not find that plus sign because the number that I have just entered is already a positive number. So you can't find that plus sign. But if I make it a minus and if I give any number and if I press enter, then you can see the minus sign because it is a negative number. But suppose if you want to see that plus sign, how to see that? To see that, I have to select the data. Suppose I want to see the plus sign and the minus sign on this particular range. So I select this range and I right click on it and go to the format cells. And to do this process, I have to go to the custom, and in place of general I have to give here plus and type here 0 and semicolon sign, and for the minus sign I have to give a minus and 0 and semicolon, and for the 0 I have to press here 0. Okay, now if I click OK, then you will find the plus sign, the number which are positive. Before that you will find here plus sign, and you will find the negative sign before the negative values. Okay, so I click OK. You can see the result. Before the positive value you can see the plus sign, and before the negative value you can see the minus sign. Now I will show you how you can see the plus 91, the code number of the India. So how you can see that number in in Excel. I have taken 3 numbers, and how to get plus 91 before any number. To get it, at first of all I have to select the data. Suppose I want to see the plus 91 in this specific range, so I select it and I right click on it, go to the format cells and custom, and in place of general I have to give here plus 91 and I have to give a space, and I have to give asterisk sign for 10 times. Sorry, hashtag for 10 times. I have to give the hashtag sign for 10 times. Okay, so I give it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, because there are 10 digits, so for the 10 digits I have given this sign for the 10 times. And now I click OK. After I click OK, then you will find plus 91, and after that you will find a space, and after that you will find the number. Okay, so I click OK. You can see that plus 91, and after that you will find a space and then the actual number. Okay, in this video I've shown you the 2 things, that how you can use the plus sign before the positive number and how to get the negative sign up before the negative number or a negative value, and I have shown you how you can use or how to get the plus 91, the code number of India, how to get it by the help of Excel. And this video is till this. Thank you all of you.